decide to come to this stream. If you don't want to end up like me, I suggest you children stay away from coding. Oh, it's a dangerous world out there, I'm telling you. And hello there, Buckatish. Stay away. Stay away now. You have been fucking warned. I'm already like you, but as a man, oh man, they told me never touch clothing, and boy oh boy did I not listen to them. I think you Cyberminators. Alright, well you clicked on this suffering stream, so together we suffer. Yeah, I got my new outfit, do you like it? See, you can also get a new outfit too. Just don't sleep for like 5 years and you're good to go. How intense is the lesson gonna be? Actually, do you have your coffee ready? Because we're about to go on a fucking journey, man. We're gonna go. We're gonna fucking go. The reason why I grew eye bags is because for like the past few months, to be honest, like, I'm a software dev, right? But I actually haven't, like, touch code at all. All I've been doing is just fucking bumping versions. I've just been doing info work. I've literally just been... Oh, yeah? Yes, Lynn is breaking something because, dependencies? Oh, yeah? Let me just bump Puppeteer and Webpack, see if that works. Oh, that doesn't work? Okay, let's revert. Let's revert that commit and go back again and try bumping another package and see if that works. So it took me 3 months to spin up a server that worked 2 years ago. This is why you don't work with legacy code. So if you think coding is all about, oh yeah, hello world, print F, you're fucking wrong. But I'm not gonna teach you all that complicated stuff today, because that's impossible to teach you. Basically, you're just gonna learn from experience. I'm just gonna teach you the basics today. So welcome to Araka Luto's lesson. Where's my fucking background music? I want some depressing music though for streams. You can have this music. So today we're gonna learn some motherfucking Python. Oh, who doesn't love motherfucking Python? I love Python, don't you? Learn Python.org, yeah! This is like the best one that I could find that's like interactive. So if you guys wanna like code along, just go to learnpython.org and you can literally do it with me. You don't have to install anything or anything. That's why I chose this website, so you guys can follow along. I genuinely like Python. You're one of those people, aren't you? You're one of those people, aren't you? Well, me too. I'm also one of those fucking people. Look, when you do your coding interview, if you don't use Python, what the fuck is wrong with you? Python's great. It is. I still prefer JavaScript, but Python's great. Python sponsorship one. Yeah, when Python 4 comes out, they're gonna fucking sponsor me. They better. A lot of various languages from top menu. It does. But we're gonna start with Python because it's the most useful one to at least let you guys understand the concepts. To be honest, I would recommend starting with C, but that might be a little too hard for beginners, so I'm just gonna start with Python. It's great for data science. And it's also great for it's great for algos, which is all they fucking test you at like technical interviews anyway. So you wanna get that job at Google, you wanna get that job at Amazon, well, just learn Python, okay? Learn Python and learn your hash maps and you're good to go. Python is good for prototyping. Yeah, it's basically English. Alright, let's learn the fucking basics. Before we actually fucking start, actually, I already started because I already clicked on this. But I just want to know, can I have a show of hands? How many of you guys have actually touched code at least once in your life? How many of you guys know a little bit of Python at least? First language I learned in software engineer college was Python. It's pretty fun. Other than that, I learned C. C is the same amount of easiness. C is not easy, man. Have you seen the pointers and memory leaks in fucking C, bro? Hands up. Nope, none. PowerShell and Perl. Ew, that's disgusting. I did, but not Python. A little. A year of Java class, okay? You hug it every day. Why would you hug it? You have an actual Python at home? Pascal, C, C++. I see. I like C, but like you don't see many... you don't see much C anymore. Okay, quite a lot of people already know Very good. You guys are all fucking nerds, you know that? Back in my days, we had to code on paper. Oh, I remember the day that the computer was invented. Oh, do you know how many pages? Oh, do you know how many books that took? Oh, back in my good old fucking days. Have a sip of that coffee. Paper is the best idea in my opinion, but now we have Chrome, which happens to be the second best thing, maybe? Alright, children. Most of you have already done Python, so I'm gonna speed through. Today is just the intro to Python lesson. Yeah, that's right. We're gonna intro to... You guys thought this was gonna be a troll lesson, but it's actually very real. I'm actually teaching how to fucking code. Why am I doing this? Why do you guys even want to see this? There's so many tutorials out there. You know, there's so many Indians out there that do this better than me. Why are you listening to a fucking Luto teaching you how to fucking code? I don't know. Anyways, thank you, Leon. Alright, well, if you want to learn any coding language, the first thing you gotta learn is learn how to print. Right? You either print into the console, or you print into the console. Or you print into the console, or you print into the console. Because that's the most important thing. Or you can print into the browser, I guess, which is called console.log. But you don't have to worry about that in Python, yeah? Print! Yes, I'm the best printer, that's true. Today I'll be the best printer. So basically, in Python, everything is fucking English, alright? All we have is English. You don't have to do anything, alright? As you can see here, all you gotta do is print. This line away printed, and it's printed! How easy is that? Can you guys do that for me? Do you guys understand? Do you have any questions? No? Cool. So you run this shit, and what happens? Oh, boom, this line will be printed. Why? Because you have a function here called print. Yeah, you put whatever here you want to be printed in this print function, and this print function will print this fucking shit for you. Is that hard to understand? No! Yeah, you get it, right? You get it, right? Even beginners can... Oh, I'm so good at explaining. I know, I'm so good. How does that work, Sensei? Of course someone doesn't understand. I'll explain it to you. So basically, you like to think of me as a printer, yeah? So think of me, think of Araka as a motherfucking printer, yeah? I'm the print function, yeah? Anything before this, you see print and these two fucking brackets right here? Yeah, that's the fucking function. Think of me, that is me. You feed this fucking line to me, and I'm gonna fucking spit this line back out to you, yeah? So for example, you put this line in here, I'm gonna be like, this line will be printed! Alright, what if we change something else? Like, you suck these nuts! What do you think that's gonna fucking happen, huh? If you feed that to Luto, what do you think is gonna happen? That's right, she's gonna yell back, you suck these nuts! Exactly, that's how a print function works, okay? You put it whatever you want in quotations. Don't forget the quotations. Actually, do you even need the quotations? Yeah, you do. Put whatever you want in the fucking quotations, and it'll fucking print whatever the fuck you want. Although, one thing about print that you have to be careful of, I don't know if Python has this thing or not, but like there's special characters and shit like that. But don't worry about it too much. We'll get to that later, probably, maybe. I don't know if this course covers that. So just so we're on the same page, are we trying to learn or trying to make Luto completely unhinged? We're trying to learn. Are we? Are we learning? Oh, also, I forgot to read this, but this is Python 3. So if you guys really know Python or Python 2, then this is a good chance to learn Python 3. To be honest, I'm most well versed with Python 3 anyways, because that's around when I started dabbling in Python. Before that, I've been a JavaScript and C boy. Thank you, keep it low. Print these nuts, Luto. Thank you. What happened to your eyes? Well, coding, not even once. Never touch it. But yeah, backslash escape characters are a thing, but you can make a raw string where backslashes are literal. Yeah, something along those lines. I can't remember. I don't use Python that much in my everyday life. I'm sure they'll teach you this. But basically, this is the first thing you have to learn. There are functions. Not quite the same as mathematical functions. You can have mathematical functions in normal functions. In like, Python 2. There's like the arrow function, but we're not gonna get to that. So there's functions that let you do whatever the fuck you wanna do, and you're gonna use the fuck out of them. So stuff like print is one of the functions that come with Python 3 already, so you don't have to import anything to use it. There are other things that you have to import because Python has a lot of fucking libraries. I don't even keep track of all of them. If anyone keeps track of all the Python libraries they have, they're a fucking god. Python used for AI in a lot of applications. It does. Although very interesting to note is Python, although like is very easy to use, a lot of the times they actually use C in the background. So they actually just make it seem like it's Python, but it's actually running C in the background to make it faster because Python's very fucking slow, which is why no corporate really uses it, you know? Upset now. Site works in Chrome, but not in Vivaldi. That uses a Chromium core. That's weird. Just use Chrome, mate. Just use fucking Chrome. Even better, use Internet Explorer. Is Internet Explorer even a thing? Has it died ages ago? I feel like it died. Sadly, Python doesn't have arrow functions, just a lambda keyword. Well, lambda keyword, arrow functions, I consider that the same. You can compile Python for embedded programming. That's true. Explorer was officially discounted this year. Oh, well, Edge? Is Edge still a thing? Sure, it's a thing. They made an Edge, but it's still lame. It's what happens when you edge too much, you know. Angry Netscape or down, no. Alright, so we learned how to print. Next, we're gonna learn about indentation. So indentation normally happens when you press. So normally, you know how you press your space, and then the space is for you, right? But there's an actually easy way to do that, which is tab. If you tab, it skips like 3 or 4 characters for you, and you don't have to do all the indentation by yourself. Yeah? So I don't understand why this thing only shows like 2 lines. This is really fucking dumb. Who the fuck designed this? So as you can see here, this is like right on the first character. There's no space before that, but there are like 4 spaces before the print. What does line 3 even say? This sucks. I can't read what line 3 says. This website's broken. I actually don't know what it fucking says. Do you guys know what it fucking says? There's a line. There should be a line 3. I mean, I don't understand what is happening. I don't understand what is happening. Why? Why does it only show me 2 fucking lines? What's the fucking point of having all this? Let me refresh this shit. What is happening? Oh, there we go. What the fuck? It was just broken. Okay, well, it works now. So indent. So they indented 4 spaces here, and then they will print. That's what indentation is. It works on Firefox. I don't have Firefox. Maybe I should install it. Maybe Firefox is just better. It's not a bug, it's a feature. Ah, boy. You know, I actually have a it's not a bug, it's a feature sticker on my laptop. It's pretty funny. Who punched you in the eye? My code becomes sentient and fucking punched me in the eye. This is why you don't dabble in AI, man. They might just fuck you right up. This is why, like, you know, AI's gonna die. That's not true though. AIs are pretty cool, but yeah. Man, oh man, do I love coding. Oh yeah, I fucking love Why not just use curly braces, you know, like, because Python is like this. In Python, if you don't indent properly, it doesn't work. So some languages support curly braces, but Python, I think in Python you can use both ways. You can either use curly braces or you can use indentation. But it's yeah, if you don't have curly braces, you have to indent properly. Either way is fine, I think. Python doesn't do type. What do you mean it doesn't do type? Huh? Of course it does. White space instead of curly braces. I'm pretty sure you can use curly braces in Python. Oh, there isn't? Oh, never mind then. Oh yeah, semicolons are optional. You know, have you guys seen all these memes about like semicolon? Like, oh my god, I spent hours fixing my code, but it turns out I was just missing a semicolon. Well, you don't have to worry about that in Python, because there's no semicolons. But you do have to get your indentation right, otherwise it's not gonna know. I thank you, Leon. 3 minutes into coding class and already bumped into a problem. I mean, unusual feature. Yeah, isn't that weird? So basically, I don't know. If is like a condition. Is that what it's called? I'm so bad at teaching. Why are you guys even fucking listening to me? But basically, in code, the only things you have to remember is there's functions, there's variables, and then you have conditions, right? So how do you make something do something? It's like, well, if you give me a 1, I want something to happen. So if you give me a 1, then I'm gonna say fuck you. Because I don't want your fucking 1. I actually wanted a fucking 2, okay? So basically, what happens if we change x equals to 0 here? Well, then you don't get anything because this doesn't get run. So conditional statements, whatever is like under the if statement, only gets run if this inside here is true. Nah? So basically, this will only print if x is equal to 0. So if we change that fucking back to a 1, I mean 1, and we fucking run that, what do you get? You get a fuck you, because I actually wanted a fucking 2. You learn just as well teaching and learning. Well, I'm really bad at fucking teaching. It's also been a long time since I've dabbled in Python, so I'm sorry if I get a lot of things mixed up. You guys can probably do it better than I can. If, else, elif, for, and while I control conditional statements. Yeah, exactly. There you go. We'll get to the loops later, but for now, just remember, there are conditional statements. And for this to work, this has to be indented, because this print is meant to be under the if, right? If you don't have it indented, if you have it like this, what do you think is gonna happen? I'm just gonna ask you guys. Thank you, Kibilo. And Steven, thank you. What do you guys think will happen if I change the x to a 0 and then I move this out of... I get rid of the indentation here? Yeah, loop. Fuck loops. What do you mean? I fuck with loops. I love loops. The indent means this stuff is what the statement is ifing. Basically, yeah. Python will get mad at you. Syntax error? It just prints. No. Yes, exactly. It just prints regardless of the variable. Because when you don't have it indented anymore, it means this print is not dependent on this if condition anymore. Does that make sense? So if I run it now, it's just gonna... Never mind, it didn't fucking work. Alright, let me just, what is it, continue? Let me just continue this and... Wait, is that a continue? Never mind, I fucked up. So you were right. I guess if conditions can't be... Continue not properly in loop. Oh, it has to be in a loop. Whatever, I'm just gonna print something else. Print... cunt. Alright, and then this should run. Yeah, there you go. What a weird language. Is it pass? Oh, pass. Well, whatever. I guess now you've learned from my mistakes. I was showing you because I don't want this to happen to you. I knew this was gonna happen, you know? I knew this is gonna fucking happen. If you have nothing in your if condition, it's gonna give you a syntax error. Did you know that? Yeah. I knew that, of course. I was testing you guys. I was trying to see if you guys knew. We learn every time you get something wrong. That's true. You never thought you'd be getting coding lessons from an anime girl. Never in your life. Well, welcome to the fucking internet. Welcome. But yeah, so basically right now x is 0, yeah? But this fuck you still printed because this fuck you prints regardless of what x is. Does that make sense? Because it's outside of the if statement. If statement. If condition? No? Yeah? I think it was there. I have to pay the Do-sama sensei to teach me about code. I'm sure I can ace all coding competition with the Do-sama sensei in my side. I don't think so. My cat is fucking scratching on my door. I think he wants to be let in to be taught or fucking listened to, but too bad he doesn't get to. Thank you teaching us about syntax errors in if conditions completely intentionally. Yeah. So someone said you can just pass it, which also works. Yeah, just make sure if you have an empty if condition for whatever reason you have, just pass it. Don't make it empty. Otherwise you're gonna run into a syntax fucking issue. Poor Hick, fuck him. He doesn't get a free fucking lesson. That's for my cognitive only. What does he do? He's just a fucking parasite. Your lack of sleep is very little. Thank you. Do you know how many bugs I've fixed in the past fucking week, bro? Too many to fucking count. I mean features. Oh, there were so many features that I just had to change. Don't... Holy shit! What the fuck? Did you guys hear that? What the fuck? Wait, 1 second, he somehow made... Did you guys hear that? What the fuck? That's Hick. Sir, what the fuck? bug or some shit? He looks. Wait, 1 second. Let me. What the fuck? As my fucking. He like ran in and then like scratched. You alright, mate? Are you alright, mate? Wait, 1 sec. What? He's like looking in the mirror. I don't know. Why? Say hi to everyone. Can you guys hear him? Say something. He's like, oh, ow! He's like fucking feisty right now. What is happening? What is out there? Why is somebody scared? I don't know what happened, but I feel like I'm getting robbed or some shit. There must be someone outside. If there's no one outside, why is he so fucking spooked? Well, he's in the room now. I don't know how the fuck he made it into the room, and I don't know how the fuck the door closed after he fucking came in. It must be a fucking ghost. I think I ghosted. I really ghosted. Oh well, he's broken. He's literally fucking broken. Syntax error, hic not found. Okay, this is. I'll be sure to pass it on. Yeah, somehow I think this house is haunted. Yep. Oh well. Thank you, Pixie Kitty. Tuition fees, thank you. Well, he gets to listen to me for free now. What the fuck, guys? You guys don't understand. He's just on the ground in a fucking bread shape. He's a fucking bread. Alright, back to my fucking lesson. Where was I up to? You guys need to fucking listen. Living in a haunted house sounds like a blast. I feel like my house is actually haunted though. Like my lights flicker every so often. And I always hear like strange sounds. I feel like I'm haunted. Oh well, that doesn't matter. Why are we scared of being haunted anyways? The ghost could be really hot. It's a good thing he doesn't have opposable thumbs. Imagine chaos that would cause. Like, alright, back to fucking coding. Fuck you. Do you guys understand indentation? Do I need to explain any more about indentation? Are we good to move on? Any questions from class, my fucking students? My little plug champs? But it's scary. What's so scary about tickle bitties? Indentation understood? Alright, okay. Alright, move on. So now there is an exercise! Oh, wow! Exercise time! Children, will you be able to demonstrate to Luto Sensei how will you use the print function to print hello world? Is that okay? Will you please teach Luto wakaranai? Wakarimasen. You can do pull-ups. Weird flex, bro. Weird fucking flex, bro. I'm scared of big old bitties. Please don't show them to me. Okay. Sure. Well, first you make a byte array. Oh boy, why do I have to start from there? Luto, please tell me how to reverse a linked list. I'm stupid. You want to reverse a linked list? All you gotta do is put the head as first. Point your first pointer as head. Yeah? Point your first to your last and then reverse the order of your link. It's really that easy. Imagine not knowing how to reverse a linked list. I don't know how to do it in C though. It's system.out though. Yeah. You guys... Maybe I had too high hopes for this fucking class. But this is all you have to do. Just change the goodbye to hello. Oh yeah! Great job! You guys did it! Oh, that's so amazing, class. You guys do so fucking well. Can I just... Yeah. That's cool. Amazing. Now sort the link list. Just sort it. 3 head. Print it and put it on the fridge. Do you guys want to take a photo? Here, take a photo. Commemorate your first ever great job from Luto. Yeah? Are you taking a photo? For commemoration? Great job! When is nap time? Alright, to commemorate you doing such a great job, I award you the 5 seconds of nap time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now wake the fuck up! This code to fucking be done! What do you think this is, huh? Alright, let's fucking move on. Wake the fuck up, bitches! Next tutorial, what the fuck is this? Fuck you, ad! Alright. You literally just woke up from right now. Ohayo gozaimasu. And now we're gonna be learning about variables and types. Are you ready? Let's do with no ad block. You know what? Fuck you. I'm gonna install ad block right now. No one's ever gonna complain about me, my lack of fucking ad block anymore. I'm gonna fucking install that shit right now. Right fucking now, and you can't fucking stop me. Yeah, I'm gonna fucking do it. Oh, add extension. Oh, yeah, add that fucking extension. Oh, you're so fucking sexy, bro. Ad block. Yeah. I think it's done. Alright, I have ad block now. They will never laugh at me again. Because I have ad block. Should have been using Opera GX already, which already has adblock. I'm a Chrome bitch, okay? I live and die by Chrome, and you can't fucking stop me, okay? Thank you. Luto finally streaming with protection. I know, this whole time I haven't been using protection. Crazy. I haven't even been streaming with a VPN. That's crazy. What if someone just reverse engineers? What if they hack me and find out my IP address? I'm gonna have to move. I used to use Chrome until Opera GX. Chrome sucks now. I see. Well, I'm a Chrome bitch until the day I die. Oh yeah. Chromium. I hate Chromium. Do you know how many issues I've run into Chromium with like fucking front-end testing? Don't get me started. Alright! Moving on, we have variables and types. Do you guys know what a variable is? Yeah? Can someone explain to me what a variable or a type is? This is so stupid. I'm not that dumb. I know what a variable is. Do I know what a variable is? Maybe. Alright, literally a panda, thank you. Variables in Python is basically just that Baba meme of give me a name, then say no more. I don't know if I can give you a 10 out of 10. Look, if that came up on an exam and they're like, what is a variable? And you gave that answer, I'm not sure if the university can award you with a full marks, but I'll give you at least a 5 out of 10. Alright, so basically, don't even worry about like object-oriented. It's too advanced if you're beginners, if you're literal beginners. But yeah, just I don't know. Everything is a object. This is so hard to. How do you explain Python without explaining object-oriented? And how do you explain object-oriented without explaining Python? See, I knew I should have started with C. C is so much better than Python. Fucking suck my dick. Well, basically, just think of it as, for example, I can have a variable. Just think of a variable as something you want to have, you know? Don't even worry about this. I'll give you a better example. So, for example, you have, a mom, yeah? Everyone has a mom, right? And your mom's name is MILF, yeah? So that's how you're gonna declare it. So basically what you're doing here is the variable mom has been assigned to the value MILF. Does that make sense? So that's kind of how variables work. And most variables can have only one type. So like if I was to type MILF 6969, in that case, these 6969 are still not integers. They're still treated as characters, ASCII characters. Does that make fucking sense? No? Yeah? Got it? It's like a box of data. Yeah, it's kind of like, if you want to go like deeper into it, it's like, oh yeah, this little byte, like little byte in my CPU, or like in my RAM, more like probably. I'm gonna assign that the value of MILF, kind of. Yeah, like they're physically assigning something somewhere in your computer, like the value of MILF. That makes sense? Somewhere in memory, MILF exists. Yeah. So now if you were to print mom, and look, you don't have to use you don't have to use quotation marks anymore when you print out mum, because mum is a variable. What do you think would happen if I print mum with quotation marks? What do you think is the difference between these two, huh? What do you guys fucking think, huh? Hello world, that's all I know. Well, fucking learn them, bitch. Stop not paying attention in class. MILF exists in my memory though. Me too. Those were some juicy. I mean, do you guys know the fucking difference? As much as I love Python, I kind of feel like starting with C or similar is probably better. Yeah. So much stuff just magically happens in higher level languages. It's true, but it's good to like learn the concept of Python and then dive into C. Maybe I should have started with C. Oh well. Think you get a syntax error? Would you actually get a syntax error with this? No way. No way. Would you actually? Mom would print mum while mum would print MILF? Yeah, thank you. Emphasis. You see, I did run into a fucking syntax error. Make sure you actually fucking quotation mark your thing. Oh, there we go. You didn't see anything. You didn't see shit. You didn't see shit at all. There's nothing. Nothing. Yeah, you gotta make sure you put quotation marks in, because you don't put quotation marks in, it's gonna treat it as a variable. Like, it would work if I did something like this. If I did MILF is equal to MILF. This is really dumb. And then I got rid of the quotation marks here for MILF. That would work, because if you don't do the quotation marks, it will treat it as a variable. And if the variable doesn't exist, it'll be like, what the fuck are you talking about, Luto, you dumb fuck? MILF doesn't exist. MILF never fucking existed. You're never gonna get the fucking MILF of your dreams, okay? So make sure you declare which MILF you would like before you tell Python to print out your mum is equal to MILF. Yeah? Okay, cool. Thank you for teaching us even more about syntax errors. No worries! Look, I'm a bit rusty on Python again. It's been a fucking while. No quotes is look up a variable with that name. Quotes is create a string with that content. Pretty much. But if you wanna look at something, which is if you do numbers, you actually don't need quotation marks. See? With numbers, there's no need for quotation marks. So one thing you have to make sure is to never start a variable with a number, or never name your variable a number. If you really want the variable 22, this is how you would do it, okay? 22. Or some people do 22, okay? Like that. 22 is equal to 22, if you really need it like that. If you really need a variable called 22, that's how you would do it. If the number is inside a quotation mark, it is a string. Yeah, if you put the number inside here, this 22 would be a string. Which, you can check with, I think, type of. So, if you check type of is another function which lets you check, I think it's called type of. Is it type of? Oh, they don't have type of. What is it called in Python again? It's time to Google. Another thing that you have to learn as a software engineer is Google is your best friend. Type of Python. Oh, it's type. Apparently it's called type. Python type of? It's type. Okay, cool. See, Google is your best friend. Never not listen to Google. There you go. So, if you look here, if I printed the type of mum, because mum is assigned to 69, it is a class int. It is of type int. If I change mum to MILF, which is MILF, what do you think that will print? It will print string, because it is a fucking string. Wow, amazing! You learned about types! Don't forget Stack Overflow, that's true. Look, anyone can be a software dev. Anyone can be a programmer. Just make sure you Google. Just Google that fucking shit, man. Just fucking Google it. 90% of the code already exists somewhere on the internet. It's a matter of finding it, pretty much. Stack Overflow thread with your problem will be dead for 3 years, unanswered and hijacked by someone with a different question. Did you know a really good way of getting the exact answer you want? I saw this on like as a meme, but like pretty much I think on Reddit someone was like, whenever I ask questions on Stack Overflow, no one answers me because you know, people are not nice, they don't want to answer you. So what I do is I put down a really wrong answer to my own question, That way people will feel inclined to correct me, right? So if you really want to get an answer off of a stranger off the internet, just tilt them with the fucking wrong answer. MILF string. Yeah, we're learning strings of MILFs. Isn't that cool? So yeah, it's cool too, cause like you can do stuff like, you know, mom is equal to MILF, and then age is equal to 69. Yeah, so you can do something pretty cool like print my mom is, and then you can add stuff like this. My mom is something. Do you have to do a plus with Python? I don't even remember. And she is space. And she is plus age. I hate doing stuff like this. Years old. And then you can print. Oh fucking hell! Int. Just a moment. You have to convert it into a string first, because it fucking sucks. Alright, there you go. My mom is MILF, and she is 69 years old. There you go. You can do mom is mom, and it will just work. Ah, I see. I prefer the plus one anyways. Please don't add strings, use F strings. No, I'm gonna just do string. You can't stop me. You can't fucking stop me, okay? If I can type 3, if I can just do this fucking hack, why would I do it the fucking proper way? Luto, you've been doing C# lately, haven't you? No, I haven't. I've never touched C#. Could you believe I've never touched C#? Let's learn C# together. What if I just learned different programming languages with you guys on stream? Some things I've never learned before either, and we can learn it together. I'm not accepting this pull request. Well, fuck you. Fuck you, little bitch. It's not up to you. Don't do pull requests. Do trunk-based development. Just push straight to main. You'll be there. Thank you, Buggy. The variable knows what it is at all times. It knows this because what value it isn't. True. Go lane? I kind of wanted to learn Go. Apparently, it's like Java, right? Go lane. You know, I really appreciate Google naming all their fucking languages using names that I can look up that doesn't interfere with anything else. You know, like Go. I don't need to look up Go programming language. Just looking up Go will definitely get you to the Go programming language. Oh yeah, stuff like Ruby. Just look up Ruby. It'll definitely bring you to fucking Ruby programming. Fucking hell. You should learn brainfuck. Did you guys know that there's a programming language out there called Cat? It's pretty, yeah. Thought about learning Go, then I got into Rust. Oh god. Apparently Rust is hard. I've seen the shenanigans of Rust, and I don't want to really get into it. Oh, C# will bring up music theory. Basically. Alright, do you guys have any questions about variables and types? Oh yeah, there's a floating type number 2, which is decimals. If you want decimals, just it's a float. But you don't have to really worry about types in Python that much, to be honest, because Python's pretty smart. Hello, Pure Fever. I think I understood this one, yeah? What type are your strings? A string? What's Luto's type? Let me see. My type is your mom with really big titties and a lot of milk. And she has to have really fuckable feet. Submissive and breathable feet. And thighs. Cause thigh pillow is a must. After many days of coding, I need somewhere soft to lay my head. That is my type. Does that make sense? Alright, cool. How's it going, strongest Degen? Me? Degen? Comfy. How you going? Yeah, so here we have different types. So we have numbers, which are ints. Floats, which are decimal points. Strings, which is just a string of characters. And then we have, what is this one? Difference between the two is that double quotes makes it easy to include apostrophes. Yeah, basically apostrophes. You can use single or double quotes when you declare a string, but normally we use double quotes so you can have stuff like this. Alright, what is this? There are additional variations on defining strings that make it easy to include things such as carriage returns, black slashes. Oh, there we go. Here's the special characters. I was talking about. So 1, 2, 3, print 3. Or use single quotes because you're lazy like me and don't want to do hit shift. Fair enough. I'm gonna drink some coffee to that. Cheers, mate. Coffee. Alright. These are beyond the scope of this tutorial, but are covered in Python documentation. This tutorial is fucking lazy. I'm gonna read Python documentation to you guys one day and you can't stop me. There's gonna be a stream of me just reading Python documentation and you can't fucking stop me. If I remember anything from when I used to code, laziness now will only bring pain later. That's not true. What do you mean my hacks are gonna bring me pain? My hacks are fine. My hacks are beautiful. Python documentation ASMR. I actually had a really fucking dumb idea for a stream. I don't know if management is gonna approve of this one, but you know how like NNN is coming up in like 3-4 days? I feel like you guys know where this is going. It's similar to the Python documentation idea, right? Except I'm gonna just... It's so fucking dumb. Why do I come up with these fucking streams? But basically, I wanted to do a stream where it's ASMR, but I read you the Pornhub terms and conditions. Yeah, that's the stream. Oh, Sawa-chan, irasai. Thank you for the raid. Arigato. And thank you for the... Is it 5 gifted? Thank you. But yeah, for those of you who just joined, welcome to today's Python tutorial. It's for beginners only. And for you more advanced people, because I know all you programmers out there love to backseat, don't you? I was also talking about for NNN, I wanted to read Pornhub terms and conditions, but make it ASMR. Yeah, that's my idea. That's the stream. Waiting for management to approve on that one. But do you know what management did approve of? Thank you, Absolute Link. Thank you for the gifted. But yeah, you know what management did approve of? I can do the BDSM test. I'm not gonna do BDSM. I'm gonna do the BDSM test on stream. I can do that. I've been approved to handcam stream ages ago. I just need to get it set up. Getting it set up takes time, okay? But yeah, we can do the BDSM test together on stream, I guess. That's cool. They approved the BD review, so there's some wiggle room, right? Yeah. The BDSM Wikipedia page. What the fuck is that? Oh yeah, the BD handcam. That one, I don't know about that one. Did the management realize what bad dragons were before you did that one, Luto? Or did they learn it as it happened? They knew. They watched my older streams, I guess. So they knew. They knew exactly what a... Look, if you're a Luto watcher, shame on you if you don't know what a bad dragon is, I suppose. Did I say BDSM, fuck, test coding? What if we made our own BDSM test using React.js? I'm sure I can make a better looking website than they have. You know what? That's a good idea. They have been around the internet for ages, so not surprising. Nah, they probably use like plain HTML and CSS. Oh boy. They probably still use Flask or some shit. You're not a front-end dev? Oh, Sag. But yeah, don't worry about this. I already showed you all of this. What is this? Assignments can be done on more than one variable. Yeah, you can do this. So A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4. You get the gist. Mixing operators between numbers and strings is not supported. Yep. So what do you think is gonna happen here? I ran it, but it's executing. It's taking a very long time to execute. What does mon mean? What is that? React is terrible. Angular is the superior choice. Joke. I don't care web dev. I don't care web dev or sucks. You suck. How can you say no? How can you say no to React? Bootstrap. I actually pretty like semantic UI, to be honest. I'm a cursed being too. The internet is a magical place, yeah. But what the fuck is happening here? Can someone explain to me why is it not running? We ran into a very interesting issue here. I don't know why the fuck it's not running. Mane. Oh, mane from Japanese. It's like, oh yeah, mane. Yeah, yeah. It's that kind of vibe. Mane. Refresh the fucking page. This fucking website has so many fucking features that I didn't ask for. Did you see that fucking error message just then? Who made this fucking website? What if I just inspected the fucking page? Let me inspect this shit. Oh, you guys can't even see me inspecting. This sucks. What is all this shit? What is all this fucking shit? This website sucks. Oh, doesn't matter. Best way to learn a code, inspect the page. Oh, there we go. I said it again. It's still not. Oh, there you go. Yeah. So that would fail because, as we've seen earlier, you can't mix ints with strings. However, I think this would work if you run it like this. That should work. There you go. Yeah. Just make sure when you print something that they're all the same type. If you use even a different type, Python is going to kill you because Python does not like. So, you know how we can avoid that from happening? We can do our hack. Yeah, fuck you. I'm gonna use string again. What are you gonna do, huh? Sue me. Sue me. And you're gonna have... Oh, wait, sorry. Not string hello. Int. Wait, not int hello. What am I doing? String of the other one. Not... I am stupid. You know what? You can't sue me. Feel free to sue me because I'm fucking dumb. Fucking sue me. There you go. Now you get 3 hello. Although I think that's a bit stupid. So what if I just changed it to... Now you have 3 head. Ooh, did you ever think you're gonna see 3 head? 3 head. Because I'm a fucking 3 head. You can multiply too. Oh yeah. Multiply is this symbol, by the way. So now you don't have a 3 head, you have a 2 head because we're getting dumber. Multiply makes you dumb. Did you know that? So don't multiply. Don't be a rabbit. Don't multiply that much. Please turn a hello into an integer. There's no point though. I mean, if you turn a hello into an integer, then it's gonna fail because it wants strings now. But if you turn a hello into an integer, basically this is what happens. You get 5 because basic math. You know, yeah, it's that easy. Technically, hello can be 5 integers. I mean, you could. I wonder what happens if you int. Does it just give you the ASCII values? I just want to know. It's been a long time since I last dealt with such basic programming. I guess it doesn't work. Does it have to be... How does the ASCII conversions work again? Does it not work like that? I have no idea. Don't ask me. I don't know what is going on. Can we translate this all to binary? Sure, go for it. Int string attempts to parse a string as ASCII, right? That's what I thought. So it should give you an ASCII value, right? No? You can use odd C to turn a single cha into a character. Really? It's been such a long time since I last dealt with... Oh, there you go. So apparently H is 104. The more you know. How do you code in Japanese? Oh, you want to learn how to code in Japanese? I'll teach you. So basically, you have to get your Japanese language type thingy, and then you say Konnichiwa, motherfucker. Kyou wa fucking coding o shitai to omotte imasu. And then when you do that, it's gonna just magically not work. Yeah. It's not gonna fucking work. I think there are some languages that can support this kind of shit. Yeah. Actually, you know how there's different ones? Let me just try something. I don't really know how Python works. I'm just gonna try using a C editor, right? So... Huh? Why is it so small? So basically, there is what is it? Hash define? No, not hash define. What is? Fuck, how do you do that in C again? Do you guys remember, like, type of? Fuck, what is the thing in C where you define something as something else? Fuck, I don't remember. Can someone remind me? Type def. Is it type def? Type def. I think something as int. And then I think the name that you want goes before type def. Fuck, it's been so long since I lost this. Fuck. As int. Does that work like that? I don't know if it even accepts Japanese. I've never tried this before. Is it? Oh, the name before. How does type def work again? Name and value. So it is this, right? So I want to name it. I want to type def. Wait, no. What's the one that like changes like int to another thing? I don't even know anymore. Fuck. Type that fuck as 5, and then you type, and then now you print f fuck. I think that should. I think that should give you a fuck. No. I don't even remember how to do this anymore. Type def int my special name. It is right. So int is fuck, and then if you say fuck is equal to me. Fuck me is equal to me, and then you type, and then you print me. That should. Fuck, I'm getting everything mixed up, bro. Does that work? No, that doesn't work. What? How does that work again? This is C. 5 is not a type. I know. I'm trying to. Are they? Oh well. I'm stupid. If you save each letter from Luto, so a different variable, and get the sum of the ASCII. Oh yeah, the semicolons. Did you know there's semicolons in C? Don't forget about that. I keep forgetting about all the semicolons in C. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, C is so fucking annoying. Percent. What is string again? Is it percent %s? And me? Is that how this works? Does it need an and, or is that only for scanf? I think that's only for scanf. Fucking hell! C is hard! Oh yeah, why did I do int? I'm so stupid. Is this string? Char? Oh, this is too hard. I can't do this. C is hard. Why does anyone ever call it C? I don't remember. Can't work. You're putting a string into an int. I changed that. I changed it. I need a pointer. I need a fucking pointer for this shit. Fuck me. Actually, fuck me though. I just wanted to meme. Why is meming so hard? Fuck! Is it not an array? It's just a pointer. A pointer to a character, right? A pointer to a character. Surely that works. Oh, there you go. That works. Cool. There you go. That works. That took way too fucking long, but that worked. Fucking hell. Fuck me. Actually, fuck me, bro. So, fuck me is equal to fuck me. Did you know you guys can do this in C? So there's some really dumb shit that you can do. So for example, you can type def int as meow, and then cha as nya. And then you can basically write a whole like section of code that's just meow 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 meow. I hate C. Alright. Back to Python. In C, an array is similar to pointers. Actually, how it really works is an array is basically This is how it works in every language, basically. Maybe some languages are a bit different, but it's something to do with memory allocation. So an array is normally... How do I say this? It might be easy if I draw this out for you guys. Let me bring out my fucking whiteboard. A second. I'm actually explaining things to you guys. Aren't you guys proud of me? Wow. Where is my whiteboard? Whiteboard dog. I can't find it. I cannot find it. What? What do you mean on my whiteboard? I don't know. Technical difficulties. Please hold. Technical difficulties. Please fucking hold. I am back. Alright, so the whiteboard is, just put it right fucking here in the middle somewhere. So basically, if you think about memory as being next to each other now, it's gonna look really cursed. But this is memory, yeah? You have fucking 4 bits right here. 0, 1, 2, 3, yeah? So if you have an array, the beginning of the array is gonna start right here. And that's why you need a pointer to point to this part right here. And then it will know to follow along because it's assigned 0, 1, 2, 3, yeah? So if you have an array that starts at 0, so array 0 would be here, array 1 would be here, array 2 would be here, and array 3 would be here. That's how arrays work, okay? That's how they're assigned in memory. They're like sequential, yeah? Yeah, they go this fucking way, okay? Remember that they go this fucking way. Yeah, that's how arrays work. Basically, I think. And thank you. What even is your name? I cannot read your name. Thank you though. GDV? You mean they count? They don't really count. This is just how they're fucking stored, okay? Don't worry about it. Alright, whiteboard away. Goodbye, whiteboard. Is this gonna be on the test, Professor? Of course! Of course! And they start at 0. Yeah, do not... One important thing you have to learn about coding is everything starts at 0. If you try to start at 1, you have a bad time. Oh, you have a bad time. Thank you, Charles. You deserve a raise. Fuck you! What does that even mean? Of course I deserve a raise! Alright, back to fucking Python. Because I've had enough of fucking C and whatever bullshit that there is. I think that's it, right? Now we do the exercise. Alright, open up your exercise, children. We're gonna do this together. Just go to, learnpython.org. And you can find it here. It's variables and times. Alright, let's fucking do this together. You hate exercise? How could you? Alright, so the target of this exercise is to create a string, an integer, and a floating point number. The string should be named myString and should contain the word hello. The floating point number should be named myFloat and should contain the number 10.0. And the integer should be named myInt and should contain the number 20. That's too much instruction. I didn't read all of that. Did you read all of that? Well, that's good because I don't know what's happening. Alright, so myString should contain the word hello. Okay, hello. Assign that to myString. The floating point should be named myFloat and contain 10.0. And myInt should be 20. Okay, now what? That's it. That's all you have to do, I think. Huh? Is it not hello? Oh, it's lowercase hello. Fucking dumb. Yeah, there's a lot of times when you just mix up your fucking cases and you don't have a good time. Well, good job, everybody! Did you all get the same solution as me? Great job, class! Well, I think that's enough of fucking programming for one day, isn't it? Although I'm gonna go back to work, which is more fucking debugging. Yay! Isn't that fun? You got it wrong? Oh, no worries. A participation trophy to you anyway. Woo! You didn't get that error first? Oh, fuck you. Stop flexing. Why are you flexing at me, huh? I actually did learn from you. Oh, did you actually work? Did you actually learn? Well, I hope you guys learned. Do you guys want to see another one of these? If you guys want to see another one of these, let me know. Honestly, I don't think these streams are like the most fun for you guys, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep doing it. If you guys think it's fucking fun, then I'll fucking do it. If you guys don't think it's fucking fun, I'm gonna stop. Yes, please. Oh, you wanna do it? Damn it! I missed the first hour. What did I miss? Wait, it's ending? Yeah. I kind of want to do short streams anyways, and I have to go back to work. Oh, you want this? Oh, you want more of this? Oh, fucking hell. Okay. C programming only. These fucking bitches. These fucking bitches. Alright, we'll make a once in a while monthly programming learning. Show me what you've learned with your if statements, your ints, and your strings and your variables. Teach us C++. I don't even know how to C++ myself. More bags next coding stream. Oh yeah, the bags, they only stack on top of each other, man. The bags, they don't leave. They never fucking leave. Did we get homework? Yeah, your homework is to make a program that prints Luto is fucking boing boing 100 times without using a for loop or a while loop. That's your homework. Yay! Thank you, Charles. Learn how to lose my soul. Great. Happy for you. Luto's breakdown. Well, you just failed. Luto is fucking boing boing. Make sure you use my live tag and show me. Use hashtag Luto live. Yeah, my live tag. If you guys do make one, make sure you do a screen capture or something so I can fucking see it. Okay, cool. Thank you. Can we use a list comprehension? Technically not for or while loop. Nope. Nothing fancy like that. You have to use everything you've learned today. So just variables and if conditions. I don't know what if there is. I guess you can do if Luto, print Luto is boing boing. So maybe make a program that's like, that asks for ID. Yeah, be like, the program will ask, who are you? And you have to type in the person. If you type anyone but Luto with a capital L, then it's gonna tell you imposter, okay, with the pasta. If it's Luto, then it's gonna print Luto is fucking boing boing. Okay, there you go. That's your homework. You can do a recursive function and print 100 times. Do it. If you want to do recursive, do recursive. If you really want to, fucking flex on everyone. There's always gonna be one of those motherfucking flexes. Always gonna be one of them. Yeah, Luto's boing boing 100 times. Yeah. Only if I'm Luto though. If they type anything else, they're an imposter. Alright, class dismissed, children. I'll see you guys probably next month for more coding. Make sure you hand in your homework before next month, yeah? If you don't fucking do it, I'm gonna whoop your fucking ass. Yeah, you got it? Yeah, you got it? Okay, cool. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow for some fucking... What are we doing again? Oh yeah, for Halloween, I had no idea what I wanted to do for Halloween. So my idea was we're just gonna talk about stupid death. So we're gonna talk about really dumb ways people have died tomorrow. So if you wanna make a tier list with me about fucking really dumb fucking ways people have died, there are some people die really fucking dumb ways, man. Anyways, yeah. So if you wanna do that with me, let's do that tomorrow. Pretty much Darwin Awards at that point, eh? Morbid, you're speaking my language now, of course. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow if you're not staying for super chat reading. But I'll do some super chat reading for the rest of you motherfuckers. Alright, ciao. Make sure you do your fucking homework. I'm watching you, even with my eye bags. Luto is always watching. Always watching. Alright. And enough of that coding bullshit. Staying fucking alive. Oh yeah. Aviosis. I am going to feed some super chats. Is that like I black for sports? What does that mean? Even watching me while I sit? Of course. What do you think? Do you think I'm not gonna watch you while you sit? I watch you when you sit. I watch you when you nut. I watch you as you wink. I watch you as you... I know what you guys do. I know that you take longer browsing through Pornhub than actually nutting. I know. Don't think I don't know. I know everything. So if you guys fail internet, I'm gonna know. Replit is a good online code editor. Oh, I've used Replit before. It's pretty good, yeah. Maybe you guys can do some pair programming with me next time, huh? What are my favorite tags then? Tentacles. Petan. MILF. Mind break. Did I at least get some of it right? See, I don't remember everyone's favorite ones. She's good. Yeah, I told you. Petan. Oh yeah, the best tag. Yeah. Well, you guys like it. I don't know why you guys would like it and what you mean. That's absurd. Don't remember mine though. I'm pretty sure you gave me a tier list. Wasn't yours like lolly and shit like that? I know you. I feel like it's what football players use during games under their eyes. No, these are just bags from all the years of coding. Alright, I am actually gonna read some super chats. Auroriosis, thank you, Design. Thank you for being a member. You're starting to look like me now, Luto. Careful. I know. If I'm not careful, I'm gonna be addicted to Lee too. Oh, wait. Luto, is this where you suddenly sleep up to 5 sleepless nights doing coding homework? Nah, sleep? That's an old name. Sleep, you say? Haven't heard that one in eons. Nah, I have a new best friend now called Coffee. It's fine. Coffee is pretty good. Little suffer one day. Yeah, the emote thing that I used for the cover of this video is actually Little Suffer. It was meant to be one of the emotes. Too bad we couldn't get it. Haven't you been staying up until late hours recently anyways? Not really, only until like 2 a.m. latest. Not that late. But I mean, what is sleep anyways? Thank you, Edith's. Happy suffering, Little Summer. Thank you, mate. Thank you. And thank you, Leon. Coding, what's that? Does it taste good? Tastes like ass, if you must ask. And thank you, this is Print Little Small. How dare you? Take that back. You already failed your fucking homework, by the way. You fucking failed. And thank you, Kibilo. Print these nuts. And thank you again for Netscape or Dino. Fuck you. And thank you, Leon. 3 minutes in the coding class already bumped into the problem. I mean, unusual feature. Little point equals false. How dare you? And thank you, Kibilo. Thank you for the 1. Thank you, Steven. I'd rather write an assembly than do a little large project in Python without any curly braces. I like no curly braces. Fight me. I think it's cleaner without the curly braces. Fight me. And thank you for sir. I paid to have Little Sama Sensei teach me about code. I'm sure I can ace all coding competition with Little Sama Sensei on my side. Yeah, one of these days we can do interview preps. And thank you, thank you for the hick donation. He's still here. He's still here somewhere. Where the fuck is he? Yeah, he's still looking at the door. I don't know why he's looking at the door. No idea. And thank you, Pixie Misa Kitten Tuition Fees. Thank you. And thank you, Uebagi, for the variable knows what it is all the time. It knows this because what value it isn't. Deep, but very true. Moving it up a little bit. And thank you, Athesis, for the 5 gifted. And thank you, Absolute Link, for the 1 gifted. And thank you, I don't know how to say your name. And 30, thank you for the donation. Thank you, Charles, for I deserve a raise. And you learn how to lose your soul. Thanks. And thank you, Athesis, for thanks for the lesson. That also I learned something new today. I'm glad you enjoyed it. And finally, thank you to Snack. Instructions unclear. Submitted my homework in Python assembly on Godbolt. How dare you? Oh, wait, there's another one. Oh, thank you, Refresh. Thank you for class. Thank you for coming, my pupils, my children. But yeah, that is all for today. Well, what a fun lesson, hey? I'll make another poll sometime to see if you guys want to see more of this. I don't understand why you guys want to see this. This is literally the most boring content you can have on the internet. But you're still watching it anyways, for God knows why. No idea why you want to do that, but you know, you do you. You be you. You love learning. That's so weird. And you wouldn't even do your homework. That's so wild. Alright, well, I'm gonna go back to fucking work now. So more fucking bumping packages. I love bumping packages. Still 140 plus people here to see it. You guys are fucking weird. Sada threw me in here and I can't get out. That's right, you're trapped here forever now. It's just you and me and my bags now. Just you and me and my bags now. And you can't do nothing to get away from it now. Seeing Luto get errors with absolute noob level coding tasks, or could be better content. Look, it's been a long time since I dabbled with noob content, okay? Don't at me. Trap Luto. Trap Luto forever. Oh no. But, jokes aside, I'm gonna let you go. Class dismissed. Alright. Thank you very much to Ethicist. Thank you for being a big peepee chat. Thank you. Thank you, Kibble, for being a big peepee chat. Thank you, Pixie, for being a big peepee chat. Thank you, Charles, for being a big peepee chat. And finally, thank you to N30 for being a big peepee chat. I hope you guys have fun enjoying, have fun watching this Poison stream. You guys are all fucking nerds. Alright, on to Flying and on to Kaluto. See you guys tomorrow as we discuss some dead people. Okay, and I raid someone. Don't worry, I'm getting to it. I'm going to raid. Don't fucking... Who the fuck is even live? No one? No one's live right now? Are you fucking kidding me? Am I deaf? No? I can still hear you, can't I? Well, no one's a fucking raid. You're stuck with me. Alright, to apologize for not raiding anyone, you get this little special. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you, never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye, never gonna tell a lie.